Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about a minute. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I'm looking to buy a put contract here at 140. So I'm trying to buy at 140. Watching that number, want to see those drop down to 140 and then go slightly below, which would cause that white line to turn green. White means I'm trying to buy. Green means I have been able to buy. See if it wants to go up a bit more. And I'm doing options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminologies, how all this is working. Okay, getting close. Okay, I'm going to go to 135 now. I'm at 135. Nope, gotta go to 125 now. I'm at 125. Potentially just said it should have stayed at 135, but all right, I will go ahead and pause the software and I'll keep a close eye on it. And we'll see if I can capture the entry point. I have an order at 135 and I am in at 135 for a call. And out for $350 on that one. Very good. Again, let me change this real quick. That was white. When it went from white to green, I was able to buy. And then that line right there was white for a little bit of time. And at that point, white means I was trying to sell. And then when I was able to sell, that white turned to green. And then that's when you would have noticed $350 show up right there. So quick little tutorial on my platform. So there we go. And that trade lasted, if you're saying that seemed like it was kind of quick, and it was. Right here, you can see the times. That was all of 8 seconds. So yeah, believe it or not, 8 seconds, $350. All right, let's see what else I can find. Have an order at 115 here for a call. And that's what I wanted, so we got to go to 110 now. Again, I'm at 110. I go to 105. See if we can come down a little bit more. All right, I will pause, but I will keep a very close eye on it. Okay, I have an order at 145. Got that at 145, a call. And out for $350 on that one. Very good. It is 10:15, so 45 minutes in, up 700 on the day. I think I might just call that good. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, no, I like that down there. I will take another trade if it can get down that blue line relatively quickly. I mean, I really don't have anything on my schedule, so there's no need to necessarily take off right away at 45 minutes. But in an hour, that's always kind of my broad-ish goal. My goal is definitely not to be sitting here for the entire market. Absolutely not. That's not why I do this, as I'm sure I'll talk about in a few moments. But like I said, if this wants to drop down to this blue line area relatively soon, then maybe I get another trade on it. But if not, again, I'm still up 700, so that's nothing, at least for me. $700, 45 minutes, nothing to scoff at. That's worth my time. I can't speak for your time, but for me, that is worth it, especially when this is just a side hustle for myself. So, all right, I will pause. And now you can see that it has done the exact opposite of what I wanted to see it do. It has gone up. So that is pretty much kind of wiped away the setup that I was looking for. So I am going to go ahead and call it good. And as I was just mentioning, this is a side hustle. I have multiple streams of income, and I do this to gain just freedom of time. I'm not in this for the Lamborghini or the Rolex watches. If that's why you want to do trading or you're doing trading, cool, go for it. But for me, within the context of my situation, being father of 6 kids, I want to have the freedom of the calendar where you can look at the calendar and say, yeah, that looks good. Nah, I don't feel like doing that. Or nah, I don't want to do that. Or yeah, let's do that. Because to me, that's the ultimate wealth, the freedom of choosing what you can do with your time. And if I can put $700 in my pocket in basically 45 minutes, then again, I'm only speaking for myself. That is worth my time when you factor in the context of other streams of income. And I encourage you to do the same. Build multiple streams of income, because when you have multiple streams of income, your flexibility from a financial standpoint, from a time standpoint, from really all angles of standpoint, really changes for the better. So that is all I have for you. So 2 quick trades. One was, let's see, that the first one was 8 seconds. The second one was 6 seconds. And overall, though, about 45 minutes, $700. I will take it. Again, if you want to learn more about options, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to that free class I put together. So thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.